Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a guide to streamlining your shipping process on Shippo tutorial for beginners. First is to sign up for an account by visiting goshippo.com and sign up, then log in. After you log in, set up your Shippo account, add shipping address, go to settings, go to addresses, click add address and enter your business or warehouse address. Save the address to use as the default shipping origin. On connecting shipping carriers, navigate to settings, go to carriers, select from available carriers like USPS, UPS, DHL, and FedEx. Enter your carrier account credentials or use Shippo's discounted rates. On integrating e-commerce platforms, go to Settings, go to Integration, select your platform. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your store. On creating shipments, click Create a label from the dashboard. Enter the recipient's address and package details, like weight, dimensions, and package type. Select a shipping service and compare rates. Purchase and download the label. Now on bulk shipments, import a CSV file of orders from the order section. Map columns to recipient name, address, and package details. Generate labels for multiple shipments in one go. On managing orders, syncing orders automatically. If you've integrated an e-commerce platform, new orders will appear in the Orders tab. Fulfilling an order, select an order from the Orders tab. Review the shipping details, generate and print the shipping label. Now on printing shipping labels. After creating a shipment, click Buy Label. Download the label as a PDF or send it directly to your printer. For batch printing, use batch printing to process multiple labels at once. Ensure you have a compatible label printer. On tracking shipments. For real-time tracking, navigate to the Shipments tab, click on a shipment to view the tracking status. Share tracking links with customers via email. Now on Managing Returns, creating return labels. Go to the Shipments tab and locate the original shipment. Click Create Return Label. Send the return label to the customer or include it into the package. Lastly, reporting and analytics. For shipping reports, view cost summaries, shipping trends, and carrier performance in the Reports tab. On cost optimization, compare shipping rates across carriers to minimize costs. And that's basically it.